When you're on an adventure, you have to be adaptable. And just like you have to be flexible for the unknown, your gear has to be flexible for the unknown. I'm Barak Zitron, I'm head of design at MODL Outdoors, and this is the Infinity Tool. The Infinity Tool is a flexible carabiner that can do infinitely more. When we designed the MODL system, it was about an easier way to carry water. And to do that, we created straps on each end of MODL that you could use to strap your water straight to a bag, straight to a bike. But then it didn't take long for us to realize that these loops that we created would be great not just for securing your water, but securing anything to anything else. With the simple addition of a stud, you turned this loop into something that could act like a carabiner, act like a gear tie, but fit right on your wrist or your bottle. We like to say that the Infinity Tool is simple but powerful, and it's actually the simplicity in it that makes it so powerful. Because they're modular, you can actually link them end to end, so it allows you to increase the length. It's easy to bring with you. It's easy to wear right on your wrist. It's flexible, so it won't scratch any of your gear. What really sets it apart is the fact that you can turn it into a gear tie and it has cinching capabilities. Also, when I'm in meetings, for example, or when I'm thinking, it's an excellent fidget toy.
There are so many configurations. It allows for endless exploration.
The Infinity Tool is made out of two materials. The loop is made out of platinum silicone, and then the studs are made out of 304 stainless steel.
Because of these high quality materials, the Infinity Tool is able to hold up to 70 pounds, and you can multiply the strength with every wrap.
We're selling the Infinity Tool in two sizes. The short is 20 centimeters and the long is 40 centimeters. Each comes in two colors, black and glacier, which is our translucent blue. The Infinity Tool over time is going to expand. We're going to be coming out with new studs in the future that will help you customize its functionality, but also its personality. I'm just excited to see how people put it to use, what they create with it. There's so much possibility in such a simple form. It's an item that is both about convenience in your everyday life, but can also be a matter of safety and survival when you're on a more extreme adventure.
Lastly, we just want to say thank you to the Kickstarter community. This community is what brought MODL to life in the first place. So join us on our newest adventure, back this project, and let's build something incredible. Thank you, and stay adventurous.